All right, everyone. Good morning. It is July 6th. I hope everyone had a great weekend. 4th of July, had a great time, celebrated, and hopefully you still have all your fingers. Uh, so, put most of my money, you know, in basically a money market for a little while, did a few small investments, and I'm still kind of planning that. I am going to try to do a little day trading today with some leftover cash that I have in my account. And who knows, maybe I sell and some of the stuff I currently have and day trade some more. I don't know. We'll see how the day goes. Uh, but it seems like the tech sector might be trying to bounce back. So we're going to watch some of that, as well as one of the big ones I'm going to be watching today is IREN, IREN. They're a renewable energy source data center company, and they were one of the big gainers this morning. Uh, Really seems like a great platform. They have a couple really big orders from major players. Their stock has went down from 70 something dollars to 40 something dollars a share uh, over the past few weeks, I think it was, or months. And this was because people weren't happy with the payouts that CEOs took and a couple other things. But I'm going to keep an eye on this today. I think this really is a chance to keep moving. Uh, so I want to see. I'm going to watch it and see what happens with that. And I'm also going to be watching BE. That's an energy company, and I just feel I want to keep an eye on it because I feel like we're going to see that continue to rise as it has over the weekend. But I don't know. We'll see as the day goes on. Right now it's 7:30 in the morning, and yeah, happens. All right, guys. So this is the active trader screen. Really like this screen because of this right over here. If you look down here, like earlier today, this 298 18, 280, 98 19 was a major resistance line. You can see right here, like it's been battling it off and on all day. I'm hoping to get up here a little bit. Uh, but overall, been a pretty good day so far. I want to get out of these last couple positions soon and just be done for the day because I think last I checked, I made around 250 bucks profit for the day, and I would like to, take my profit and leave because, well, I'm that guy. Uh, so yeah, that's kind of where we're at here, and hopefully this continues to go up. I can get out of these last few positions. This one up here, this is VHT. Got about 3 shares there, nothing crazy. If I hold on to that overnight, it is what it is. I can let that set for a few days if I wanted to. It's no big deal. QQM, also the same thing. I really would like to get completely out of it though. I took a position on it before the weekend, and overall, you see, I am down 775. And most people are like, "Oh, you're down 775 on that, but you got 200." I mean, every penny counts, right? I've got no other positions I'm working with besides these, and I'm trying to get out of these as much as I can. So, because I don't want a job, I don't want to have to get a real job. That sounds awful. So, yeah, I'm going to continue to watch this, and I think once I get out of these positions, I'm done for the day. But I'll check in with you guys. We'll see what happens. All right, guys. It is 11 o'clock in the morning. I am more than done. Uh, Actually, pretty excited. When I started this, me and my wife sat down and basically said, at this point, I need to make about $241 a day uh, to be what I was doing before this. So, with that in mind, today I actually hit $242. So beat that goal by one. Does that mean I'm automatically there now? It means it's feasible for me to do. I didn't take a lot of risks today, which is the big thing. But this did involve me moving around some stuff that I already had. Uh, because for one, I didn't like it in there. If you look right here, SMH on this chart, right? I held some of this, and honestly, I did not like it. And it's because it's too semiconductor heavy. I did not like the volatility of it over the past weekend. So I waited till it got profitable for me. Today, I scaled down, I want to say twice as it was dipping. I would buy another few more, a little bit more, and then I finally got it to where I could just trade it off for a profit, and that's what I did. Not a big profit. I think I made about $60 there, but I'm not going in on big positions, and my risk level is really, really low. Tesla. Okay, so I bought in at market open. I just My mind was made. I'm going in on Tesla. I've heard nothing but great things. I see him go green. I don't even wait for the second candle. I just buy. Uh, well, as you see, that sucked. But I held on to it with great faith that it was going to bounce back, and it's because the driverless taxis that are becoming available. I think it's in Miami right now, maybe in other places. I just knew, like, once that comes out, like, Tesla's got this. If they can get approved to run taxis in Miami, driverless taxis, and there's videos of these things already on the road, yes, they're already showing up at superchargers and all that stuff. So yeah, I bought in. I rode it to about here, and that's where I sold out. So yeah, I think it's all sold out up here. I could have held longer, but that just wasn't what I was wanting to do. My goal is to protect my capital as much as possible, get out as quickly as I can. DELL. Oh, it closes connection. Free accounts, I only get, so many connections. DELL, this is another one. I bought in down here. Why? Literally, as soon as stock market opened, Trump said something about DELL. I'm not sure what he said. I just know he said something about DELL. So I bought stocks and rode it up to about here. Then once again, I got out. So made a little bit of money on those three. There's some other stocks out there that I, made 15, $20, just kind of momentum trading, things like that. At the end of the day, it came down to $242. So, that's pretty proud of that, so yeah. All right, folks, that's all we're doing today. Said first time I have hit my goal, $242 today. I am still actually below my starting capital because literally my first day I took about a $900 loss, and I think I made $150, and I took another like $400 loss. It was rough, but I've been digging myself out of that hole without exposing too much of my capital. Right, I'm trying to keep as much as I can in the money market portion, kind of savings. So I had a majority of my money there. So I didn't have as much capital to play with. So I think I had about $4,000 cash to do my day trading with. Uh, so yeah, I literally, with like 4 grand, and I had a 200 something dollar, almost $250 return. Uh, yeah, I think that's great for me. I am super excited about it, being that this, like 2.5, 3 weeks of doing this now or something. I don't know, not very long. Uh, but it could have just been, hey, today's a great day in the market and everyone made money. I don't know. Let me know. What do you think? Like, do you think today was a fluke? Or do you think, this stuff I might be getting better at this. I'm also thinking about doing some video, having some more live content. So let me know what you think. If you think I need to have more live content, like, or, YouTube live or something like that, get enough followers, I have no problem doing that, but we're just not there yet. Okay. So thanks for watching. Hope everyone has a great day. Hope you make money. God bless. Take care.